Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you the most recent tools that help you to get main profitable keywords of your designs, to rank high on search results and to get sales in Redbubble. And this wonderful tool has a lot of features that would blow your mind, so please keep watching this video and I am sure that you would love this tool. So let's go. This tool is bubblespider.com, and this wonderful website shows us the most popular 10,000 keywords on Redbubble, and this information and these analytics on Bubble Spider are updated daily. As you see here, the last update was yesterday, okay? And for sure, bubblespider.com would help you to have a good research on Redbubble to get a nice niche and to find a profitable main keyword of your design. And to get these keywords, there are some parameters and these factors to help you to get more profitable keywords of your designs to get sales in Redbubble. So we can take them one by one. Let's get started with this. The first one, rank filter. As we said, Bubble Spider shows us the most popular 10,000 keywords from the rank number 1 descending to 10,000 keyword. Okay, as you see here, these keywords are the most popular keywords on Redbubble, okay, from 1 to 10,000 keywords. And this in competition, the count of the search results on this keyword, okay. And for the rank filter, you can be more focused in your research. For example, if you want to know the first 5,000 most popular keywords, we can grab this end, okay, as you see here, to 5,000, as you see here, okay. So you can grab one of these ends or pause to get a narrow research, to get a closer look at these keywords, okay. Okay, as you see here, okay. Okay, so the first factor today in bubblespider.com is rank filter. The second one is trend filter, and here bubblespider.com shows us whether these keywords are more or less used in this current week in comparison to the previous one. For example, if a certain keyword is more used on designs or more searchable on Redbubble, so it will be trending keyword, as send an arrow in a green color, as you see here. Or if its use declined, it will be in red color, descending arrow, okay, as you see here, like this red, awesome keyword, happiness is a day spent hiking with my dog, trending keyword, okay, trending keyword, declined, okay, level down, and so on, okay. Okay, so the second factor today in Bubble Spider is trend filter. And of course, you can grab these ends to be more focused, as you see here. If you want to know just the trending keywords, as you see here, just only these keywords are the trending keywords. Be curious, not judgmental. Secta. All I need is love and yoga and a dog. Okay. World, it should be illegal to be this cool. Ryan, take me back to the 90s, and so on, okay. They are the trending keywords, okay. Okay, and the third parameter today is about maximum competition. And in the maximum competition, we all know that the best main keyword of your design, the one that has less search results, thus less competition. So if we check this maximum competition, you will find only the main keywords with search results that less than 5,000. As you see here, if we check this maximum competition, you will find these popular keywords on Redbubble: 4,000, 1,000, hundreds, and so on, okay. And of course, we can grab these ends, we can narrow it, as you see here, for the main keywords with less 1000 search results, as you see here. Okay, perfect. In this competition, okay. And for the last one, trademark score. Here you can know whether these keywords are copyrighted or not, and these results are based on the United States Patent and Trademark Office. As you see here, if it's green, no live trademark could be found in the United States Patent and Trademark Office database, so it's safe to use it. Or orange, live trademark was found in the USB2 database but not yet registered, so it's better not to use, okay. And if it is red, a live and registered trademark, so it's forbidden to use these keywords or it will be infringement or copyright violation, okay. As you see here, you will find red like new girl, registered, okay. Green, it's safe to use. Box, okay. Phone cases, it's in green, okay. But Taylor Swift, it is red, of course. And as you see here, okay, Naruto, it is red, and so on, okay. So it's better to use the green color. Okay, and here's a good question comes up. If you want to go through a specific niche, how to have a good keyword research by using bubblespider.com. Of course, you can use these factors, these filters in a specific niche like dogs, cats, Christmas, Halloween, nursing, and so on. For example, if you want to search for a main keyword in a dog niche, for example, so we can type here dog niche or dogs, okay, as you see here, and we can change a little in these filters like this one, okay, slightly, as you see here, okay, and maximum competition, okay, as you see. So we can get these keywords with less competition, okay, and trending, okay, like Georgia Bulldogs National Championship and VDA Dogs, or we can uncheck this, okay. Colorful dogs, seamless pattern, it is trending keyword with less competition, as you see here, perfect, okay. This keyword, Pongo stray dogs, okay, we can make it like this, okay, we can change it for more keywords like this one. We can change this keyword for dog only, okay, perfect. Dog mom, as you see here, trending keyword. Sorry girls, my dog is my Valentine, as a trending keyword, perfect keyword. Animal dog PP, Snoop Dogg, okay, test trademarked, be careful, okay, as you see here. Dog lover, happiness is a day spent hiking with my dog, safe, okay. One dog short of crazy, trending keyword, save, and so on, okay. And actually, I hope this tool would help you in your research on Redbubble to get main keywords, to get nice niches for your designs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.